Hi guys, here is another question. We need to know which of these compounds is basic. Now, if you look, all of these are nitrogen based compounds and nitrogen is shown with a lone pair in the every case. So, you can say that the compound that won't be able to donate this lone pair on nitrogen will be our answer, correct? Now, let us look at the most simple one, this alkane over here. We have nitrogen with a lone pair. We have, let's say, there is alkyl group over here, another alkyl group over here, alkyl group over here also. So C2H5 represents R in this case, and there are three species, so I have drawn three over here. And if you look, nitrogen will have its lone pair pretty much localized to itself. It won't be able to donate its lone pair because carbon has its valency completed, so it won't be able to donate its lone pair to any other carbon atom. So we can say that option C is correct. Okay, so option C is basic in this case. And if you look at option D, this is a smaller version of the area example we saw earlier. Here, one of the alkyl group is replaced with a hydrogen atom, and we know that whenever we have a hydrogen atom, and we know that nitrogen again won't be able to donate any of its lone pair with these carbon atoms, so this nitrogen group will also be basic. So let us look at the second option. I'm going with respect to the name or the size of the groups present in the compound. So let us look over here. This is the case. This is nitrogen with a lone pair, hydrogen, and there is C2H5, so I will represent it with R. So as you can see, this carbonyl group is close to nitrogen atom, and if you look over here, this group is a electron accepting group or a electron withdrawing group, correct? Now this group, when attached to nitrogen, we know this oxygen atom has a tendency to take its double bond on itself, correct, forming an O negative ion, and O negative ion is stable in this case. So what we will do, so what will we do to satisfy the valency of carbon? We will do this step, that is nitrogen in this case donates its electron pair, forming a double bond over here, and pretty much a conjugation happens over here. And as you can see, more negative charge is present on more electronegative atom, so this situation or this step is very much stable, or nah, I won't say very much stable, I will say this situation is possible for this compound. So you can say that nitrogen won't have its lone pair localized to itself, except the cases of C and D. It will have its lone pair delocalized with this carbonyl group. And if you look on the option A, I will just make small changes over here. I have another carbonyl group to the right of the nitrogen atom, and if you see, the electron withdrawing power of the carbonyl groups on both the sides won't help nitrogen to be basic in this case. It was definitely less over here compared to these two. And if you look at the option A, this will definitely be more, this will definitely be less basic than the second option over here, because now that we have two carbonyl groups attached to the single nitrogen atom, the withdrawing power of these two carbonyl groups will be much higher, and so over here, due to high resonance, lone pair of nitrogen is not available for accepting IH+, so it is the least basic. Thank you.